All right, this video should hopefully help you get started on your first lesson one turn-in homework. So at the bottom of this assignment is lesson one turn-in homework. There's two pieces. One piece is this PDF. So you'll complete that, and then the other piece is inside. So um, first we'll download, I'm gonna go through that assignment. You will upload the file, your final one here. There's a video on how to do that you should have watched already. So you'll first upload this file. First question, identify the individual population variable parameter sample and statistic. Be very specific. Use descriptions and actual values. Not all of them have a value. Some of them are just a theoretical idea. And then don't forget units on any of the values for full points. Next question, we're sampling every single student. What kind of sampling method is that? Is it a statistic or parameter? It's really just a vocab check. Two pieces to the next question. Each of these variables are either qualitative or quantitative. If it is qualitative, note if it's binary or not. So your answer should always have two parts, qualitative and binary or not, or quantitative and discrete or continuous. So quantitative will be discrete or continuous, qualitative will be binary or not. Identify both pieces. Match the sampling method with its definition. Determine a potential lurking or confounding variable. Explain how this variable would see an increase in both of these other two variables, right? It's the third variable that affects the other ones. Then complete a table. So the values, the frequency, the cumulative frequency, the relative frequency, give both a fraction and a decimal. And then the cumulative relative frequency, get again, fraction and decimal. Do the fractions here and then round. Don't add the decimals and then right, do the fractions and round from your fractions. And finally, are these studies blind, double blind, or neither? And explain how you know. Please use complete sentences on those pieces. You'll upload your file here. And then there is one more question, which is going into an actual study compared to a headline. So the headline was Champagne Can Help Prevent Alzheimer's. So you can click on this article and skim it. Mostly I want you to base it based on what this article headline says, what that kind of implies, because we know many people don't read full articles and definitely don't go back to the original source. Then what I want you to do is click on the actual study. You're going to read, if you just read the abstract, it's a very long study, just to get an idea of what they're doing. And then note, give a couple sentences, well, 4 to 5 sentences where you note how this article headline is a little bit misleading compared to the actual study, right? What are some things that you can't tell from this study or from the article headline, but are kind of clear when you dive a little bit deeper? So a full paragraph here, please don't do a bulleted list. And let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, have fun and see you in lesson 2.